Namaskar viewers, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make poha in instant pot. This poha is good option for breakfast, tiffin box or for even evening snacks. First of all, we take poha in a pot. This is 2.5 cup poha, and once we wash it and drain all the water and keep aside. Now let us see all the ingredients which we need for tadka. Take 1 onion medium, peanuts 1 tablespoon, 2 to 3 green chilies, 5 to 6 curry leaves, lemon juice, salt to taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Start the instant pot on saute mode. After 30 seconds, the pot will beep and the instant pot will get started. When the pot will get hot, let us put the oil in the pot. Till this oil is melting, let us see the benefits of poha. The poha controls blood sugar level. It is a good probiotic. Poha is good source of healthy carbohydrates, easily digestible. Poha is rich in iron and poha is low in calorie. Now the oil is hot. Let us add mustard and cumin seeds in this hot oil. Put the green chilies and curry leaves and mix it. Now let us add onion. At this time, vegetables like green peas, potatoes, carrots, corns, etc. can be added. Now put little salt so that onions can get cooked faster. Add peanuts. And mix it. Add salt, sugar and turmeric powder into the oil and mix it so that raw smell of turmeric goes away. Now add wet poha in the instant pot which we kept aside. Switch off the instant pot by pressing cancel or keep warm button and mix this poha thoroughly. So that all the turmeric powder, all the masala will mix in the poha. Now add 1 tablespoon of water. You have to sprinkle this water and cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Now because of the lid, the moisture will be there in the poha and pohas will become soft and will not stick to the bottom of the pot. See, our poha is ready. Now we can garnish it with coriander. If you want, you can add freshly shredded coconut or nylon save and sprinkle some lemon juice on this poha and serve.